Why don't seniors over 85 play hide and seek? Because the only time they want to be found is when it's time to pay their life insurance premium. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on life insurance for seniors over 85. Tip 1. Prioritize your needs. You must evaluate what you need from a life insurance policy at this stage in your life. Do you need it to leave an inheritance, pay off debts, or cover funeral costs? Once you understand your needs, finding a policy will be easier. Tip 2. Consider final expense insurance. This is suitable for seniors aged 85 and above, as it is designed to cover the cost of a funeral service and other associated expenses. This policy does not need a medical examination. Therefore, if you have health issues, this could be the best option. Tip 3. Look into guaranteed issue life insurance. This type of policy guarantees your acceptance regardless of your health conditions, which can be ideal for seniors who are 85 and older. The payouts of these plans are often smaller, and they typically have a waiting period before the full benefits are available. Tip 4. Be prepared for higher premiums. Life insurance policies for seniors above 85 will typically have higher premiums, as the risk to insure is greater. It is important to budget accordingly to ensure that the cost of maintaining the insurance will not cause financial strain. Tip 5. Think about term life insurance. If you have a financial obligation that will eventually end, such as a mortgage or care for a dependent, a term life insurance policy could be a good idea. These policies will only pay out if the policyholder dies during the term of the policy, but they are often more affordable. Tip 6. Understand the policy conditions. It's crucial to clearly read and understand the terms and conditions of any potential insurance policy. This includes the premium costs, payout conditions, and whether medical exams are required. Tip 7. Remember, age impacts coverage. As a senior over 85, it is important to remember not all policies will be available to you. When choosing a policy, make sure the insurer does not have an age cutoff that might impact your coverage. Tip 8. Think about whole life insurance. If you want a policy that will provide a cash payout to your beneficiaries no matter when you die, and potentially build up cash value, whole life insurance can be worth checking out. Tip 9. Compare several quotes. It's smart to get at least 3 to 5 quotes from different insurance companies. This gives you the chance to compare coverage and costs before making a decision. Tip 10. Consult a financial advisor or insurance agent. They provide valuable insights into which policies can cover your needs at the most reasonable cost. They may also provide advice on how to make the policy work effectively with the rest of your retirement plan. Tip 11. Review your policy regularly. As life changes, so too may your life insurance needs. Make sure that you periodically review your policy to ensure it still meets your needs. If not, discuss your options with your insurance agent.